Oh, a little nature hike. That's a crazy word. iPhone. Hang with me for just a second. Nothing. That was fun. Yeah, it was alright. Look at this shit. I got a path about as long as my foot to walk on right now.
What are you, survival or something?
Yep. Path is widened out now. We're looking for crocodiles.
So we're gonna poke it with some sticks.
It's the most dangerous animal in the world. I'm gonna stick my finger up its butt.
You're sticking your finger up its butt. I'm poking it.
Hi, my name's Eric. My name. Wait, I already said that. My name's Eric. I'm a dangerous animal hunter. I've been bit 8 times by poisonous rattlesnakes that made me partially retarded. So I'm gonna go find the most dangerous animal I can find in the world, and I'm gonna stick my finger in his butt and try and get it to bite me. All right, let's go.
What's that gonna be? A rooster or a horse?
Patters.
Huh?
Patters.
This is on the horse manure path, ain't it?
Sort of.
That's the most deadly thing, ain't it?
No. Right back here is where me and Devin pretended to be in a race, and we'd get back there where nobody could see us. We'd come up around here and pretend like we're in a race and be like, damn, we so far in the front that fucking ain't nobody even coming through now. If you look way up there, you can't see it.
Oh, shit. You might want to spend more time watching what's in front of you, dude.
Ah, fuck you. But way up there, away from all of us, is where they're riding.
Where them beasts are at. I gotta get some meat.
You can see a house right there. I don't know whose house that is, but I don't know what the fuck it's doing way out here in the wilderness.
We're gonna run up and stick our fingers in his butthole. That would be the basement door, wouldn't it be?
Something like that, I don't know.